So we have to see the one more design. We have to take this red, then we have to cut it, then we have to keep it. Remaining solitude we have to put it in this also red we have to use it, and this red also we have to use it. So we have to cut it and we have to use it. Dark red we have to use it now. So make it into 4 pieces and we have to take it. So now we have to use it. And like this separately we have to keep it. This also we have to keep it. This and this. And the remaining this I am going to put it after removing this. We are going to put it also in this world also, or we use and throw. Parents also after marriage have to throw in gratitude mainly to anyone else. This happening அதாவது பொம்பளை பிள்ளைங்க தள்ளி விட்டுருக்காங்க தண்ணி தெளித்து யூஸ் அண்ட் த்ரோ. ஹஸ்பண்ட் ஆர் சம்பாதம் தேக த்ரோ த ஒய்ஃப் சில்ட்ரன் சில எப்படி சீரட்டை பொடி பணம் விடாது பிள்ளைகளையும் கொண்டாட்டியும் துறப்படுத்திடும். उसका फेंक देता है ऐसे throw it. It is a use and throw. So you have to keep all the name in the garbage bin, to keep in a dustbin. This also you have to make a nice cover in it. This and this also you have to make a flower vase and put a cover over there so you can see. So you have to put unnecessary things over there. So this is over, so unnecessary things and everything you have to put it. Is a nice jeep, but it is gone. It is gone, so you cannot use it. ஜிப்பு வந்து நல்ல ஜிப்பு, அதை போயிட்டுனா யூஸ் பண்ண முடியாது. தொப்புள் கணக்கு தொப்புள் பிஞ்சிட்டுனா லிவர் கட்டின்னு போயிட்டோம், அதை பழகும். So this all dust you have to put it there. So this box you can keep it on a best out of waste. Then I am going to keep it here to, and we have to put it here like so you have to cut it on both sides and you have to keep first. So you have to cut it on both sides and keep on another cover. 1, 2 cut, 2 cut. Then you have to cut it and keep 1, 2, 1, 2. 2 cut, you cut it and keep it.